Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back into the 06 KX450. Now, this episode's not going to be overly interesting because we've pulled it apart. We've just got to clean the frame up and the swing arm. We've got to put it, it's a tedious job. It's not that exciting. It's not that much fun. And you spend a lot of time in the Hydroblaster. This is going to be a bike that's going to be ridden regularly, so we're not going to bring this right back up. We just want to get all the grime off it, all the dirt off it, get a little bit of sheen to it. We're going to, like I said, powder coat the swing arm because it's just going to protect it more because it's going to get ridden. We use Porsche Silver by Prismatic, and it's actually a very, very, very close colour match to what would be a finished hydroblasted product. We got that from MX Revival. That's not of our own figuring out. We have also got the zinc plating back from a guy in Sydney who does it, so I will show you that. It's absolutely fantastic. So what we're going to do, we're going to get into it. We're going to wash this frame down first. We're going to get as much of the crap off it as we can, get it into the hydroblaster, try and get it clean enough. Then we're going to strip the swing arm down, get that powder coated, get it back. We're going to fit off our carbon chain guide, our magnesium axle blocks, get it ready for bearings, and then sort of offer the two up. And then we'll start looking at linkages and bearings. So let's get into it, guys. Like I said, it's not going to be overly exciting, but fear not, it will get exciting. So stick around, see what we've got going on. We'll explain to you a little bit about what we're doing as we go, but yeah, this is pretty much what we're going to be doing today. This whole process is hydroblasting the frame. Hydroblasting the frame, getting everything off it, and we're not even taking this to a really high level. So it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and you really have to sit there and just go into your happy place. Okay guys, as you can see, we're about to get into the swing arm. We've been working frantically trying to get the main frame done. With the swing arm, what we're going to do is we're going to pull it apart. We're going to get all the bearings out of it, the chain slider, all that stuff. We're going to run our carbon chain guide on it that we run on the earlier gen KX 2-strokes because it should fit up. If not, it won't take much to modify it to get it there. Now with this one, usually with our big restos, we weld everything up. We hand finish both the spars. On this one, because this bike's actually going to see a few hours worth of riding, we're actually going to powder coat it. Now this is something we picked up from Charles at MX Revival, and what he does, he uses a prismatic color called Porsche Silver. And what it does, it looks very similar to a freshly hydroblasted swing arm. So we're going to do that because it's going to add a protective layer to it. It's going to help longevity on this one.
You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You see me, you wanna get some. It's easy, 'cause I'm the best one. I bring it, it's It's all in good fun. But baby, this is your last run.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have the swing arm back. We haven't yet put bearings in it. We've still got to pull the linkages apart, hydroblast all that stuff and get them in. But we do have the zinc plating back for the majority of the bike, all the unique bolts to it, chassis bolts, brake pivots, all that sort of stuff. We've got the swing arm back with the Porsche Silver, as you can see, really good looking effect, and it's going to be perfect for what we're doing here. And we've got our carbon chain guide on it that fits straight up. We're going to have to make a couple more of these, I think. We always get requests for them. Our magnesium axle blocks, which were actually Honda magnesium axle blocks, but you can adapt to them by flipping them over. And they'll fit this early KX swing arm, which is really cool because, you know, magnesium is factory. That's what it is. I mean, not that we're building a full factory bike here. We're not even close to it, but it's cool to have those little 1% things just to really bring it together. And as I mentioned earlier, we've got our zinc plating back. As you can see, it is stunning. Gentleman in New South Wales does it in his garage, does a fantastic job, puts a lot of time and energy into it. And that's what we want because we don't want to do it here. We've tried that, doesn't work. We're not very good at it. So yeah, that's where we're at. We've got the swing arm cleaned up, the frame cleaned up. Next episode, we're going to be doing the bearings and doing the linkages, getting that bolted in, and then hopefully we can start putting an airbox in it and start getting some sort of tangibility to it. It's not just a couple of bits of frame held together with a couple of bits of zinc plated bolts. So this is always a long, tedious part, guys. It's always the same. It's the same with every bike. Until you start getting color in it and engines on it and all that sort of stuff, it's pretty boring. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I don't know. But we're trying to bring you as much content as we can. We're also going to be doing a membership program on our website. So if you're interested in getting some personalized access, requests, parts, all that sort of stuff, look out for that. It should be pretty cool. All right, guys, we'll see you next episode.